guys, today we have in front of us brand new iPhone 12. So let's check what's inside the box. Before we unbox the box, let's check the dimensions of the box. As you can see, compared to the last year models, this iPhone is very slim in compared to the last box. So the reason for this one, that this box doesn't contain any charger nor a hands-free. So the iPhone has decided to remove all the chargers and hands-free from the boxes. So let's start by unboxing this one. Let's check what's inside. So the unboxing experience for iPhone is always well thought of. So they already gave us a pull tab to tear off the cover of this box. So we move it aside. So this is the iPhone cover. Now let's check by unboxing this. So there is nothing. Okay. So this is the iPhone in the box. So we remove iPhone and move it aside, and let's check what else in the box. So this is a Thunderbolt Type-C cable, okay, which is a good thing that they are giving this cable for free, but they have removed the chargers now. So this one is a SIM ejector along with some Apple manual. So this year they have included only one sticker rather than including two stickers like always. So they have reduced the sticker as well. So now move it aside. Okay, let's check how the phone looks. So the design of the phone, it reminds you of iPhone 5s and iPhone 4 design because of this flat edges. The flat edge is very premium looking, and it looks very pleasant to hold. Also, it's very decent in looks. So let's peel off this peel and check how the screen looks. So slowly we open this one. So as you can see, unlike other Android mobiles, it has a flat screen with the flat edges. So the design is very minimalistic. So let's start and check how it starts.